Alright guys, welcome back to the Frugal Homestead. So yes, I know my kitchen's a mess. Life is chaos right now. We are like running in 40 different directions. But even so, we can't let our health slack off, my recipes, my meals. I gotta keep going on this weight loss journey, so I gotta be eating fast, but healthy. Now, I am a pasta addict. I fully admit it. I know it's true. But I still have to fix and curb that by making things that are somewhat healthy. Now, if you are a fettuccine Alfredo connoisseur, this may hurt your feelings. Alright, so I have some friends who made some comments that says this is not fettuccine Alfredo because I'm using Bowtie noodles. They're over in the group called Food Fight on the social platform MeWe. You should go check it out. But that said, we're going to show you how to put together a 500 calorie portion of what I like to call a broccoli bow tie fettuccine that is simple, fast, cost effective, and will fill you up. 500 calories. Just 500 calories, not counting the bread, and you can be eating well and feel like you're out at a decent Italian restaurant. Now, let's get started. The simple fact here is we're in a hurry, so I personally use a pressure cooker for 1 minute. We have the actual Pampered Chef version. If you've got an Instapot, whatever works. You can also do it on the stove top, but you need 1.5 servings of bow tie noodles. The reason I use the bow tie noodles is A, they pick up the sauce well. B, I don't need as much of them because they kind of hold up a lot of space. And C is because when I go to get bites, you're going to see how the broccoli and everything comes together. It's easier to make a bite with broccoli and noodle with these noodles. Use whatever noodles make you happy. So that said, 1.5 servings of that. This portion is for one person, so if you're feeding 2, double it. If you're feeding 3, triple it. Follow me with that. So I pressure cooked our noodles, 1.5 servings. Alright, that's 300 calories. If you use whole wheat noodles, you can get that down just a little bit, but that's up to you. The whole box of noodles was only $1, so you're not even barely using any. So, with that said, you also need a bag of broccoli florets. I like to buy these. You cook them for 6 minutes in the bag. Boom, you're done. So I take these, I cooked them in the microwave for 6 minutes. Open it up. Pour the whole bag in. Real simple. Don't make this hard on yourselves, guys. So those get steamed in the bag. Those are also really good in the same recipe if you throw them in the air fryer and cook them in the air fryer. Really good. They crisp up a little bit, hold everything better. Next, the Classico Alfredo sauce. Coming in at 45 calories per quarter cup. So with that said, we are going to do 2 quarter cups on there. Now, with the lower calorie Classico, the seasoning is not as strong, and you need to know that. And it's a simple fix. Don't worry about it. We're going to start off with pepper. We like a lot of seasoning on our stuff. You may not. You may want less. Next, we're going to go garlic salt. Then, just a little bit of Parmesan cheese. Now the Classico I got is the 4 cheese. All of theirs pretty much seem to be 45 calories, so whatever you like. So here's where we're at so far. It's important to keep the noodles, make sure the noodles are hot when you do this, and make sure the broccoli's hot. Make sure it's closed good. Alright, so we've mixed it all in. Guys, Look at that. Tell me that doesn't look good. Take 2 little pieces of bread on the side, and tell me if you went to a restaurant and got served that, you would not expect to pay $10 to $20 for that. Now, comparison's sake, it's important to understand 500 calories when I say it. Some of you may not track calories, you may not understand the value of that. It's just a number you see at the end of your food. 1 Whopper with cheese from Burger King is 600 calories plus. Alright? This is 500 for this, guys. Not the bread, but everything else. 500 calories essentially. Now, what really matters. And this will also better show you what I mean by bow ties. Why we use bow ties, because it's easier to get it all on one. One fork. Sorry guys, it's good. You'll hear a lot of people tell you, oh, eat chicken and rice, it's healthy. I can eat whatever I want. It's just about making it fit my macros and my calories. End of the day, they can tell you whatever you want. Calories in, calories out. That's how you keep fit, keep healthy, keep your weight under control. And with meals like this, it's very easy. So do me a favor, because a lot of people don't realize that I do most of the cooking in our house. So go down below and say Missy's a lucky woman in the comments if you think that my cooking is bomb and you'd like to have it in your house. Now that said, I get to go eat this whole thing, and you guys have to go make your own. That's a big portion there, boys. Let me tell you. So I'm going to finish eating this because my wife's not home. None of my kids are here. My grandkids aren't here. So it's all mine. Mine. But make sure you go down, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can see all of our upcoming videos. Look at this cost-effective way. How better than at the Frugal Homestead can you learn how to eat like this healthy for dollars? Literally the broccoli florets, $1. The noodle box, $1. The sauce, $1.75. And there's still enough to make more portions, guys. It's not hard, it's not expensive to eat healthy. But go down in the comments, tell me what you think. You got any other ideas or things you'd like me to try and put a healthy spin on? Let me know down there. I'll see what I can do. With that said, I'm hungry, so you guys gotta go. I'll see you guys in the next one.